Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive assembly. Unlatch it. Disconnect the hard drive data cable and power cable. And disconnect optical drive cable. Lift the assembly out of the system. Find the solid-state drive. Remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Put the assembly in the system. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the assembly. Relatch the front bezel and base cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.